Hello friends, I am here with another question that asked in JEE Mains paper. 2.2 gram of nitrous oxide gas is cooled at constant pressure of 1 atm from 310 Kelvin to 270 Kelvin, causing the compression of the gas. When we decrease the pressure and the volume is also decreased, and this causes the compression in gas. When we move the piston from here to here, the pressure will increase in this gas, and this here is the volume is increased. Here is the volume is 217.1. the pressure will too much less in this container. The pressure is increased in this container because the volume is decreased from 217.7 milliliter to 167.75 milliliter, and the temperature is also decreased, that causing compression in gas. We need to calculate the internal energy of this question. First of all, internal energy du, which is equals to, we need, I am going to solve this question. Moles, which is equals to given mass upon molar mass of nitrous oxide. Molar mass 44. You have to check, which is equals to 1 upon 10. This is a mole. And enthalpy NCP डेल्टा T. मोल्स हमने निकाले, Cp मोल दिया हुआ, मोलर हीट कैपेसिटी हमें दिया हुआ है, डेल्टा H में दिया हुआ है. हम निकाल सकते हैं इधर से 1/2 इंटू 100 इंटू डेल्टा टी. डेल्टा टी इधर से निकाल सकते हैं हम 40, विच इज इक्वल्स टू दिस इज a 10 and this is equal to minus of 200. Minus of 200. This is enthalpy in this question, that is asked Cp. The value of Cp is 100 and the moles that I calculate here 1/20. The value of moles is 1/20 into 100 into 40. When we T final minus T initial T final minus T initial 270 minus itna 270 minus 300, then we get minus 40. Then we calculate that the value of this is dH is equals to 200. Delta H is equals to 200, and we need to calculate the internal energy. Du is equals to Q plus W. W is equals to minus of P dV. Pressure 1 atm, 1 into 167.5 minus 27.1. This is given in question. Delta V final minus delta V is equals to, I write here minus P V final minus V initial. This is equals to delta V divided by 1000, because the volume is in milliliter, so I am going to divide this with 1000, because we need in joule. The average quantity is given in this question in kilojoules, so I am going to convert the unit in joule, because we need the answer in joule. One atm is equals to 101.3 bar. That gives 5 joule. I calculate this. The whole value of this quantity is 5 joule. Now I am going to put this value here and get the answer. Enthalpy, delta H is enthalpy and enthalpy is heat. Delta U, which is equals to minus 200, that is delta H, and Q and delta H is a heat, plus 5, delta U is equals to 105 joule minus, and X is equals to minus of 195. This is a question that asked in JEE Mains paper 2022. This is a easy question, not too much tough, but you have to learn all these concept of equilibrium. This is asked in equilibrium. Thank you so much.